We needed a product that could hold the drum out in front of the wheels so that you could pick and place a drum beyond the front wheels. There's curbs you have to go over. There's pallets is a common one. You could set it on a dolly so the drum is out in front of the unit. That's a counterweighted extended reach. So we're going to demo the Morse 82H-XR-125 extended reach drum handler. First thing you do is take off the floor lock. Carefully push the unit up to the pallet. Using the DC pendant, push the down button until it fully lowers and disengages, and then carefully pull back and reset the floor lock. On the back side of this control box, we have the DC disconnect switch, which kills all power from the battery, 12-volt battery, battery indicator level, and a panel-mounted charger connector for charging the battery. Inside the control box is the battery, the charger, and the hydraulic power unit. Now to pick up the drum, disengage the floor lock, press the unit against the drum, raise it clear of the pallet, engage the floor lock, lower it to the floor, we went with larger casters and wheels to provide easier mobility. It's easier to pull and push. It's a fairly heavy unit, and it moves quite well with these wheels. The counterweighted unit is 20% over what is needed, so for extra stability. This part is part of our standard 82H series. It's got the enclosed columns for reducing pinch points. First time we've enclosed the hydraulics on the unit. Keeps everything out of harm's way, looks better, cleaner, keeps the hydraulic equipment dust-free. Morse 82H-XR-125 extended reach drum handler.